So as you can see behind me, I'm at the Target, but I'm also at Publix. It's right next door. So I'm gonna get some groceries, and I just got done doing my cardio for the day. So I ran the bridge, but I'm finally cooled down, even though my cheeks and everything are still red. But it was hot. It's 92 degrees. So I did that this morning, and I kind of just want to knock out my errands for the rest of the weekend today, because I kind of just want to go home and stay in the house. And I decided, for some reason, I'm craving a quesadilla. So I was looking at Pinterest for a recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of my staple items that I ran out of, like from Publix. I just need to run into Target really quick and just get my face wash and face lotion, because I'm out of that. That's really it. I'm really hungry, but I'm just gonna make a quick salad when I get home. Oh my gosh, we have such a day. Now I'm also gonna like clean the house and do my laundry, but I'm not gonna show that because I know that gets boring like in all my vlogs, and it's like an every weekend sort of thing. So I'm gonna save you guys boredom, and I'm just gonna not film that part. Okay, I'm gonna go into Publix first, because I think if I have my groceries in the car, then I won't diddle daddle and want to buy like a bunch of stuff from Target. I'm going there for 2 things and 2 things only. Okay, such a beautiful day, y'all. I ran the bridge to my gospel music today. About to do the daggone thing. Okay, let's go get these groceries. I'm gonna see if I can take you guys in with me. It looks kind of busy, but I may or may not. We'll see how it goes, and then if not, I can just show you guys what I get when I get back home. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I might just do that. All right, now, see y'all in a bit. Okay, guys, you guys would be so proud of me. You wanna know why? Because it's hot, and so does it look like I'm sweating? Because I am. Because it's freaking hot. Hand sanitizer first, okay? You guys would be so proud of me, because I didn't even go in Target. I'm not even going in Target, because I found my face wash and face lotion in Publix. Now I think it was a little much, but they only have like the big. I'm running into like a shortage of my CeraVe. I don't know how you say it, but like I can only find the big ones, and like the small ones, like this. Well, the face wash, I think they only have like one size and like the value size. But the face lotion, the small one, is like $6. I can't find that one anywhere, and that one lasted me forever. So I had to get the big one. So it was like, they were like 13 bucks each. So, but I probably won't have to buy a new face wash or lotion for like a year. Anyhow, so you be proud of me. I found that stuff there, so I'm not even gonna tiptoe into Target. Usually I can keep it below 100. Well, I did keep it below 100, I guess, with groceries. I might have went like slightly over 100, but my face wash was what? We're gonna tax it up to 15 is 30. And then I donated some money to, so I was under 100. I feel like I got a bit much, but it's because I also want to make quesadillas tonight. So I had to get like the quesadilla ingredients, something I typically wouldn't get. I got some yogurt for Nala, and then I got yogurt for myself. So I know, maybe it's totally fine and I'm just overthinking it. Probably so. Okay, well, I'm gonna go home now, and I'll see you guys there. Ta-ta for now. We're at Starbucks, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this daggone coffee. I'm gonna tell y'all what I get too, because it's clutch. Clutch? Wow, that water is good. You guys, me and my $5 make you holler Target find, we are still going strong. I love her. This simple water bottle, I love. You know what it is? It's because I can see through it. I'm a sucker for something that you can see through for some reason. I have a problem. I'm a bit much. I'm a bit much. Ah, well, what you gonna do? I swear I just love spending my days with y'all. You guys think I'm playing when I say you're my friends. I'm not playing. Oh, time to order. That is an easier way to order it. Okay, so a venti vanilla. Wait, what did I say? Venti. I messed up already. A venti iced caramel latte with oat milk. Check. And then I like to add just 1 pump of the white chocolate mocha syrup, because it's Something about it. I don't know. I've had just a plain caramel latte, but the iced white or the white mocha flavoring, just one pump, changes your life. Okay? You know, I just love the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. I can't even lie. Like, I love it. Something about it. There's this one location out here, which is by my parents' house though, that makes the best vanilla sweet cream cold foam. The best. Like, I don't know what they put in it, but when I tell you it's like top tier, it's the best vanilla sweet cream cold foam I've tasted. They've got to just put like a shiz ton of sugar. It's got to, because I love sugar. I am trying to master my own matcha recipe. So I would be interested if anybody drinks matcha, ice. I gotta do it ice. I can't get on the hot train. Something, I don't know. I'm more of an iced person. I get iced coffee. I like iced matcha. If you guys have like a fire recipe, or if you guys know of one, drop it in the comments below. My matcha recipe, it's still not where I want it, but I do have one thing that I like to add to it is the vanilla oat milk froth thing that I get from Publix. I've only seen it at Publix. I haven't seen it anywhere else. That's like what I'm making to my vanilla sweet cream cold foam, and that is delish. But there's got, like, I've put honey, like there's gotta be some sort of sweetener. Am I missing something? Because I put honey, but then it just sticks to my straw. Look fire today, y'all. They took their time with this one. They took their time with this one today. Ooh, woo. Look at her. Tell me she don't look fire. What? She looks freaking delish. What do you mean? I'll see you when I get inside, y'all. I'm about to pull up to the hills. About to pull up to the crib. I'm so excited to see Nella. I miss her. We've been separated for 2 hours. It's healthy. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get upstairs.
Much later.
So, I can't remember where I last left you guys. I was going to go through my groceries when I came back in, but I just came in, I ate, I showered, and I took a nap. I think the heat just got the best of me this afternoon, so I'm back. The house is clean. I'm getting ready to make the quesadillas, and I'm going to take you through the groceries I got, which was like right around $100 from Publix, but Publix is a little more pricey than I think other grocery stores, but it's just so convenient for me. It's just like literally right around the corner. And they have like, they usually always have everything that I need, so I don't need to make 2 stops. So that's what I was looking for today. So all of this is from Publix, and I'm gonna go through what I got. First up, I'm just gonna take you through my liquids, because those are like staples, like they don't really change that much. The Khalifa unsweetened vanilla is what I like. Coffee, I usually get the Stoke cold brew or the Starbucks unsweetened medium roast, I think it's called, but they didn't have any of that. After I just said Publix had everything, they didn't have any of that, so I had to get the Dunkin' Donuts one. But this one's unsweetened too, so I figured it would do. The Silk Almond Creamer Sweet and Creamy, the sweet and the creamy, that's the ticket. And what I like to use for the froth in both my matcha drinks and my coffee is Vanilla One Silk Oat Milk Creamer. Favorite, this is so good. It froths so easy, and it just really, I mean, it just like takes that coffee and iced matcha to the next level. All right, that covers the drinks. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in the fridge, because you know what? We're gonna clean while we go through this. Okay, I'm gonna prep the area for dinner. I also cleaned out my fridge, y'all. I feel so like, you ever do like productive things and you just feel so proud of yourself? That's me. I like to get spinach for salad. Spinach is just a staple in everything. I eat a lot of this. So spinach, shredded carrots for my salads, and veggie bowls. And then I also like to get mini cucumbers. Cucumbers are so good. I feel like they were like super underrated. So I need to make this quick because I'm running out of storage room. So
so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time